Okay, see what happened? Hell froze over, I broke a nail. Okay. So when a nail breaks like this, good news and bad news. So bad news is you broke a nail. The good news is that usually it's not like a straight break, it's like a flake. Okay, so you can almost like fit something underneath there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use an adhesive, very liquidy glue. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to try to drop this here to feel for the, okay, so you see, they're liquidy. So all you need is a drop like this. Because the thing is with the glue is that it sticks very well to the nail, but it doesn't stick very good to itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this little piece, okay, and just try to drop this. I'm trying to do this on camera. All right, so what I'm going to do, I wanted to drop it right there, but it didn't work. So I'm going to lift it and try to get this underneath. I'm going to put a little bit more. See if I can drop it right there. Okay. So, of course, I got some on my skin. So I'm going to wipe this away. And I'm going to press down. And as I'm waiting, I'm going to explain. So this is not a solution for broken nails, okay? This is emergency situation. So when a nail breaks like this, there could be 3 reasons. Number 1, the nail might be very damaged and too flexible. Number 2, the nail might be too inflexible, so too hard, and it cannot bend. Or number 3, trauma. When you hit your nail really hard, which this happened, I hit my nail, something has to give. So if the nail cannot give, the nail will break, because you definitely don't want to rip the nail off the nail bed, right? So the nail can crack like this. And this is the first thing that I do. I try to put some adhesive in hopes that this will hold. Now, when this breaks again, because this is not very stable, so this is going to probably last a few days, because this breaks down in water very quickly. So, over time. So what I'm going to do when this breaks, I'm going to almost like soak it off. So I'm going to put a cotton pad soaked in acetone and just hold it until all that glue comes off and try to glue it again. Because if I put, again, the glue over glue, it's just not going to stick, okay? If this doesn't work, if it breaks again, then I'm going to show you, but I might fix it with just a little bead of acrylic if it's necessary. Okay, so let's hope that this will work. Okay, now, so obviously there is some glue on the skin. So what I'm going to do is just, see what I'm doing? Gently kind of separate it a little bit, just so it's not pulling my skin. And this I'm going to just clean with a Q-tip and pure acetone. And now, because this feels tiny bit rough, I'm just going to go over like this. But I'm doing this so gently because I don't really want to damage the nail. Okay, so it is stuck together now. By the way, when this happens, I right away shorten the nail, because you don't want to be putting pressure when that nail is bending on the same area.